There has never been a month quite like this month at Bordner. This company that's been serving Metro homeowners for decades with siding, roofing, doors, and windows will honor our servicemen and women. Dan is Bordner's sales manager. His dad was a retired Army veteran. And because supporting our troops is close to their hearts, Bordner is doubling the veterans discount to an additional 10% on your home improvement projects this month. And we're just getting started. This month at Bordner, 0% interest until 2021 on windows and doors. 50% off installation of roofing, siding, and windows. And any work over a job price of $10,000, you get a cruise for two. I told you this is a one-of-a-kind month, and this is a one-of-a-kind company. 30 years in business, 80,000 happy customers, one of which is me. If you're in home improvement mode, this is the month to go to Bordner. Call 816-358-2102 or go to thinkbordner.com. Bordner, a complete team, the right solutions, and real warranties.